Hello po Lolo, happy birthday. Thank you po sa lahat ng ginawa niyo for us and sana po ay happy po kayo palagi at sana po ay ayun. Excited po kami ma-celebrate yung birthday niyo with you po. Tapos ayun po. Enjoy po your day and love you so much po and God bless you. God bless you po. Happy birthday po.
I love you, Lolo Joey. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Thank you po sa mga nagawa niyo po sa amin. And sana po you stay happy and more blessings to come po. Enjoy your day po and God bless po. Bye-bye.
Hello po Lolo Jury, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo Jury. Stay healthy and God bless mo.
Happy birthday po Lolo Jury. God bless you.
Happy birthday po sa pinapogi kong lolo. Thank you po dahil lagi niyo po kami tinutulungan. At sana po magkaroon po kayo ng magandang kalusugan at mahabang buhay. Thank you po, we love you po.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Lolo! Thank you po dahil lagi niyo po kaming kinaguide kahit kami po ay makulit at pasaway. Ang wish ko lang po sa inyo ay good health at mabuhay pa po kayo ng matagal. I love you po.
Happy birthday po, Lolo. We love you.
Happy birthday po, Lolo. Enjoy your day. Stay safe and stay healthy po.
Happy birthday po, Lolo. Wish you po more birthdays to come. Stay healthy po always and remember po to smile and happiest birthday po.
Happy birthday, Grandpa. Thank you for being my best grandpa.